travel to Sri Lanka. Hi, and welcome to our travel guide to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, also known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean, is a small island nation located off the southern coast of India. With a rich culture and stunning landscapes, it's no wonder that Sri Lanka has become a popular destination for travelers. The first thing you'll notice upon arriving in Sri Lanka is the friendly and welcoming nature of the locals. From the bustling streets of Colombo, the capital city, to the small villages nestled in the hills, you'll find that Sri Lankans are always ready to lend a helping hand or share a smile. One of the must-see destinations in Sri Lanka is the ancient city of Kandy. Located in the central hills of the island, Kandy is home to the Temple of the Tooth, a sacred Buddhist temple that houses one of Buddhism's holiest relics, a tooth of the Buddha. Visitors can also enjoy the beautiful botanical gardens, the Kandy Lake, and the local markets. But Sri Lanka is more than just temples and cities. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, with crystal clear waters and powdery white sand. Anuradhapura and Mirissa are two of the most popular beaches, but there are countless others to choose from. Sri Lanka is also a paradise for nature lovers. The country is home to a variety of wildlife, including elephants, leopards, and whales. The Yala National Park, located in the south of the island, is home to one of the highest densities of leopards in the world and is a great place to spot these majestic animals in their natural habitat. But Sri Lanka isn't just about sightseeing, the food is also a must-try. From spicy curries to coconut sambals, the local cuisine is a blend of Indian, Arab, and European influences. And don't forget to try the local tea. Sri Lanka is one of the largest producers of tea in the world, and it's a staple of daily life. So if you're looking for a destination that has it all, stunning beaches, rich culture, delicious food, and breathtaking natural beauty, then look no further than Sri Lanka. We hope you enjoy your trip and make some unforgettable memories.
Shh.